another video. Okay, so before we get started, these are some data we've entered here, and we are going to use that one to see whether some of the general properties in this ribbon work already. Now we have subject, marks, position, and rewards, and here we want our marks here to be percentages. And looking at this ribbon, you can see a percentage symbol here, and to make sure our values here to be percentages, you just have to click on the particular cell and move your mouse cursor to the percentage style symbol here. Just click on it. It's now a 20, so it is now 1000% here. Say 30 here. See that it has changed into percentages. This is it. Okay, this is very simple. Now let's see whether we can add some currency to our reward here. Now you can also, on the number ribbon, you can see a dollar sign symbol hitting a dollar sign. So for us to make our column key here, which is reward, to be in dollar sign, you have to also move the mouse cursor to the cell here, and now click on the dollar sign. You see that we have $100 here. Now see there here. So we are changing our values into a dollar currency. Now before that, I want us to know it's not only dollar sign you can have in this ribbon. There are a lot of currencies here. So let's try to change this $300 here to euro to see that it has been changed. And in case, maybe depending on the country you are, in case your country currency is not here, you just click on more accounting format. Just click on it, and you just click here and just scroll here. For instance, I'm in Ghana and I'm going to search for my currency, and it is Ghana cedis. So okay, this is Ghana cedis here. Okay, so you see that the 300 euros have now changed to my currency. Okay, thank you. Now if you want your decimals to be in 3 decimal places or 2 decimal places, these are your commands here. This is increase decimal and this is increase decimal. Okay, let's see whether we can increase this decimal. You can see that it has increased to 3 decimal places here. Let's see whether we can decrease it here now. Okay, it has now decreased to 1 decimal place. Okay, so viewers, I think that's all for today's video, and I'll be expecting you in the other video. Make sure you comment, like, and share. If you have any question, just make sure you comment on you ask your questions on the comment below, and make sure you subscribe, like, and share Tech Caleb videos. See you on the next video.